How to enable or disable preserve the last use mode for the camera on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings, then scroll down and tap on Camera. Next, in here, we scroll down and tap on Preserve Settings. At the top, tap on Camera Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on or switch it off. When this is turned on, the camera will preserve the last use mode, such as video, rather than automatically reset to photo every time you open up the camera app. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.